toy opening for my daughter's birthday. Bring it here so I can cut it. Bring it here.
Okay.
Ignore her junky room. She just got back from her birthday party.
Oh! This is the funniest show ever.
And this one comes with 30 pieces. And I don't remember how much this one was. I think 31 something. Let's see.
Next video,
it says it comes with a Build-A-Ryan, minifigure, ooze, and fruit erasers, and more. Ooze? I don't know, baby.
The Moe's.
So hard to open with one hand. All right, you're gonna have to help me open it because I'm trying to.
You're supposed to open this.
Well, stop trying to open it. It says it needs. You need to put some stuff in there. Okay, you're gonna have to hold the camera. You're gonna have to hold the camera while I open it.
Hello.
No. Point the camera to the. Hold it this way.
Ugh. Sorry. My grown up is opening the thing. The Ryan's toy. This is the funniest show ever. You got like it. This is my grown up here.
You don't know. Show me in the video. I don't want to be in the video.
Opening the thing. The picture off, and I close in the middle of the show. We're gonna play with it, so keep on watching.
Alright.
Come on, opening this. Did you know this can open? Keep on watching. Keep on watching. You can open that. So look at the back of it. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that.
Alright, so we're almost done opening it. It's a lot more difficult than we thought.
Ooh, is this the...
As you can hear, it's making noise to talk to you.
Nice selection. Sweet. I like the lemon flavor.
This way is complicated. You know, drop the camera like 1,000 times. Okay, we're still trying to open it. Bear with us. We probably should have had it open before the video. Okay, so they're saying there's a surprise inside and all that stuff. So of course you're gonna need an adult because this is complicated to try to open by yourself. Okay. So then it comes with the machine. And
this can open.
And it says insert drink 3. I have a glare. 3, 3, 4, and 4.
I'm gonna insert.
You have to open it first.
Yes.
Looks
Open
like
it. This mode thing.
And then it has like the snack thing. Then you have to insert coins in there. Okay.
Wait.
I don't know where the coins are. Okay, Larry, you entering them or not?
Can you cut this?
Okay. Oh, give it to me.
Here, go. Cut this mold thing. Ow.
Okay.
Ow. Cut this mold thing.
So it comes with Moe's.
Enter the Moe's.
Okay.
Normal. Enter the netter mode. Enter the netter mode. Hey. Enter mode. And the enter mode.
All right.
Yeah.
That's all in there. Then enter the drinks.
It's a lot.
All right. Enter the drinks.
There. Can you cut this drink for me? Cut.
It comes with 3 different soda flavors: grape, strawberry, and pineapple, I'm assuming.
What?
That's what it looks
Is this
like.
really great?
Okay.
Let me see this. It's Powerade.
Mm-hmm.
One. Is this supposed to go there?
Let me see. These are like,
They measure it.
It goes in there.
There.
Okay.
That's a fat one. And this is a little
I
one.
think this one don't go in there. But oh well, you can put it in there. And the fat one's going. We'll
That's
figure it
free
out.
and that's free. What? Wait.
Then they have
Who's
the
right?
Ryan Combo Punch.
Oh well.
Combo Panda Punch.
Combo Panda Punch. Alpha Alexa Lemonade.
Here.
Lemonade. This is the Alpha Alexa Lemonade.
And then the Ryan Pringle
Wait.
Chips.
How do I open this?
Yes,
Right
sir.
there. Don't need to open it. Alpha Alexa Lemonade. Combo Punch. And Ryan Fun.
All right.
They have something in it. But you can't open it. Keep on watching. Oh, this is too fat.
Well, hopefully it comes out here. The Ryan chips.
Ryan chips. This is the organic chips.
Original.
Original chips, I mean. And this is another can I just say organic?
Sure, it's original.
Organic. And another organic. And another organic. Wait, I have something in it. I'm sure this is grape flavor. Wait, there. Wait, there.
Okay, once you fill it up, you shut it. The coins are over there.
Where is the coin?
Right there. Right there in the corner.
Behind me?
Right here.
Oh, there is the coins. Ah, some coins. Great.
And then you have coins.
Some good
So you use it like a real vending machine. You put as many coins as you need and then press the button. One of them already came out.
Just refill it. Refill.
Open it.
Refill.
Open it, like. Okay, take it out. It's supposed to go in this one. That's why it's like too big. But we're gonna have to wait till it comes out.
Too late. Let's just do it again.
Okay.
Close it. Make sure.
So you open the coins.
And open the coins. The Rebucks. It says Rebucks. I mean Rhinebucks. Rhinebucks. It's not no D-Bucks.
Okay. You got it?
Or F-Bucks. No, I don't got it. Can just peel it off.
Hold this.
Okay. My mom's peeling the coin. The Look at this. Do you know why Arbucks are really called Arbucks? It's because rhyme starts with R.
Here.
Ooh, coins.
Okay. So then you pick which whenever you want and put how many coins in there. The coins go in the panda's mouth. You put the coins in the panda's mouth. No.
I want the...
Okay, put the 3 coins in the Ryan's mouth. 1. No, you have to put 3.
Oh, wait. I pressed that.
What does it say on it?
1.
Oh. I don't know.
Wait.
You want to go in again, Willie? All right, we will be back with how it's supposed to work.
I'm gonna do the